This is Greg from Book of Greg's Mind, and there's a lot to this topic I can go on, but I'm gonna just simplify it into uh, basically how we should be raising our kids going forward and into the future. Um, so I actually have that. So how we should raise our kids is we need we need to understand that they are new to Earth, but they aren't new to life. They already have a personality and all that stuff from a previous life, previous incarnations, and so we need to just train them or teach them about Earth. We don't need to put them in schools and stuff, which we do now, and all the schools teach is basically how to follow. They don't teach the kid to be an individual, and their personality will shine when they are being taught as an individual, not as a follower, which is what we're doing now. Schools do not teach how they should be. And I even think that once a kid reaches 15 or something, they should be free to do whatever. We have laws in place that restrict everything. And because they restrict everything, and because of my previous video, we talk about how laws order is chaos. If you have order, you're gonna have chaos, because order tells you can do this but not this. But if you want to do this, you go to jail or something. That is order. Freedom is to do whatever. There of course needs to be a set of just very simple um, rules that you follow, or morals that people live by, but they shouldn't be heavily enforced, because if they are heavily enforced, then we have the jail system. And like I said, there is a lot to this topic, but trying to make sure my face isn't covered. But we need to raise kids as if they know life already. They're not a blank slate. You shouldn't I know there's one talk show host on the radio or whatever I used to listen to. He was having his daughter play the violin, and then the daughter would be mad for playing the violin. Um, we shouldn't have that. The kid should be allowed to do what they want within the means of not getting hurt themselves. So the parents' only job is to make sure the kids doesn't get hurt, and probably just teaching them basic math, basic reading and writing. That's it. And then once they learn all that, they go to schools once they are old enough to decide that on their own. Like, we should give them the freedom to do that. And we should be free to basically do everything ourselves too. We should learn from the kids. We shouldn't think of the kids as inferior or whatever, that they're not mature. They are far smarter and brighter than we are. And that's how it's always going to be, because they act um, with integrity. They are who they are, and that's how we should be acting. We should be free. We should be innocent and just see the world as magical. But because of order, because of the government, because of all that, we aren't allowed to be free. We have the right to be free, but we aren't allowed to be free. So, there's a lot more to this topic, and I don't think I can cover it all adequately. So like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you enjoy it, there's the Discord and the Patreon. Do what you like, but for me at least, I think we need to start teaching the kids properly and just moving forward that way. The foundation we have right now is gonna get destroyed because it's not stable at all. Schools do not do their job, and I went to school. I hated it. It doesn't teach. It does not teach you. I've been punished before, like such a detention, getting putting getting locked in a room for a few hours at my babysitter, and for I don't know what I did, but like you shouldn't punish people that way either. So I don't know. There's a lot, uh, but that is the video. Sorry it dragged on a bit. Have a good day and goodbye.